Want to pick?
You pick.
Okay.
Bring it over.
Pick
Bring it
it
over.
up. Bring it over.
She might as well do it all.
This one?
Okay.
Okay.
Who is that one from?
You gotta say who it's
Grandma
from.
Lannis.
Come on up here so I can take.
Grandma Lannis?
Is it?
Haley,
Okay,
come
come
on
up
over
here.
here.
Come to the middle.
Okay, right there. No, right. Well,
One of them, anyways.
I gotta have a little
I
distance
want to
here.
watch.
Okay, who's that from? Grandma Lannis?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ask her, what is it?
What is it?
You know what?
I don't know. You have
She's
to
over
open it
there.
and find out.
Maybe you should guess. What do you think it is?
I bet there's a mouse in there.
Well, the ribbon matches her socks.
Let's go away.
What kind of socks are those?
What kind of paper is that? Is that
Looks like she picked up
clouds
some
or
Christmas ones.
clouds and stars?
Who
Clouds
got
and stars, huh?
Who
Did
taped
Grandma
it?
tape it really good?
Yeah.
Well, then it won't.
Did.
It'll last longer
Rip.
then.
Or just be a lot more pieces.
Got it.
Got it.
Is it in the box?
I hope so. No.
It's yellow.
It's Greenies' favorite color.
I think it's a sandal.
You think it's a candle?
A sandal.
A sandal.
Is it a flip flop?
She already has one.
Rip it.
Oh,
Rip
she's
it.
trying.
Oh my.
Wow, use those
Work
muscles.
hard on that one. You got a blunt in?
I bet it's a pet mouse.
A pet
I
mouse.
bet it's a pet mouse.
Or a tiger.
A yellow box.
Oh, it's right. He doesn't
What's
have
in
a
the
mouse.
yellow box? It looks like the box.
Clothes.
No. Where am I gonna get enough
That
clothes?
works.
Oh, there's a card. There's a racket.
Oh, what are those? Strawberry
Pencils.
shortcake.
Pencils.
Strawberry shortcake
That
pencils.
one And
Oh.
Dolly. Dolly. The Dolly.
Oh, what a mouse.
Sam.
Now.
Haley, hold it up. Okay.
I'll give her.
Okay.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
I'll give you one.
Oh, oh,